Today I'm sharing 7 teacher appreciation gift ideas for under $20 that still make a big impact. And on this list includes 2 do-it-yourself craft ideas that you can download and make at home. So whether you are looking for a gift for Teacher Appreciation Week, end of year thank yous, or just because, this list includes simple, meaningful ideas that won't break the bank. We are starting off our list with a gift that is personal, heartfelt, and will allow your child to pay it forward in your teacher's classroom for years to come. From preschool to high school, having your child gift your teacher one of their favorite books for your teacher's classroom library is a great way to show them that you appreciate them. I especially love this gift for a newer teacher that's still trying to build the resources in their classroom, because this allows them to have a story that they know one of their students truly loved. A jar of joy is just like its name sounds, a jar filled with encouraging words and jokes so your teacher can get a dose of appreciation whenever they need it most. With just a jar, some brightly colored paper, and a little love, this easy and affordable craft can make a big impact on a budget. Are you not sure what to include on your joy cards for this unique gift? Don't worry, we have you covered there too. Check out the link to our Jar of Joy craft in the description below. This printable download gives you the supplies, instructions, and even some jokes and kind words to get you started. Looking after our kids for up to 7 hours a day requires some crucial essentials to keep your teacher going. This is where the Teacher Survival Kit comes in. Include in this survival kit things like lip balm, hand sanitizer, gum, tissues, and maybe a little treat or two in a bag or pouch, and then ensure to label your survival kit for easy access in a pinch. So we've all had this dilemma before, right? It's a crazy day, you're tired, and all of a sudden, last night's dinner leftover sounds like today's worst lunch on the face of the planet. And all you would love is for someone to bring you lunch from your favorite restaurant. So this is another great way to show teachers that you appreciate them, is to bring them lunch from one of their favorite spots. Of course, this may take a little bit of planning. You need to know exactly what spot that they want that lunch from, what day of week is the best to bring it, and of course, what time of day to have it delivered. But this simple act is a great way to show your teachers that you're thinking of them and that you just want to bring a little bit of joy to their busy day. This is another great and simple craft to share with your teacher all the great times your child had in their class this year. Check out our download of the printable template for this cute book craft at the link in the description. We give you the book cover, a thank you poem, and 8 writing prompts that you and your child can use to create this personalized gift. With just some paper, ribbon, and your child's personal artwork, this gift has a meaningful impact for just a few dollars. If you're a teacher or have been one in the past, let us know. We would love to hear from you. Drop in the comments for us on this video the most meaningful gift that you received from one of your students. Help us spread some more ideas on ways that we can show our superheroes, our teachers, that they are appreciated. If you are really low on funds, but maybe really rich on time and skill, another great gift to show a teacher that you appreciate them is to volunteer. If you work in a really interesting field, or maybe have a really cool hobby that you are comfortable speaking about, talk to your teacher to see if you can arrange for giving a small presentation or maybe leading an activity on that topic. If you're not comfortable talking to the class, you could also volunteer your time for services outside of the classroom. All of this will just show the teacher that they are supported and give them a little bit of extra time back at the end of their very busy day. Teachers oftentimes need supplies outside of the standard paper, pens, and crowns for their classroom. Things like disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer, paper towels, Ziploc bags. Those types of things are all needed to make sure that the classroom is functioning and your kids are well supported. All right, let's wrap up our video by talking about some tips when it comes to giving gift cards. I don't know a single person on the planet that's going to turn down a gift card, but this is still a great opportunity to make a meaningful and personalized gift for your child's teacher. Ask them about their favorite restaurants or maybe even a hobby that they are into outside of the classroom, and you can always try to buy a gift card that helps support those things that they're into. Also, if you do want to play it safe and buy a more generic gift card, you can always pair it with one of the other ideas that we had for you in this video, or just a heartfelt card from you and your child letting them know that you appreciate them. If you found this list helpful, give us a like on this video. And if you're looking for more holiday fun, make sure to subscribe to Happy Holiday Hotspot, where we help you make every day a holiday.